This is Dwayne. Dwayne is working very hard at his current job, but is never able to get ahead. Dwayne understands that as long as he works for somebody else, his options for future growth are very limited. Dwayne would like to start a new business and finally work for himself. Luckily, Dwayne learns from his cousin Jenny, who works in logistics, about an opportunity of becoming an independent freight broker and potentially earning $100,000 to $150,000 per year. Another one of the great advantages is that Dwayne can work from home if he likes, and therefore spend more time with his lovely family. There is only one little problem. Dwayne doesn't know much about freight brokering. That is until he discovers Simple Guide to Freight Brokering for Beginners from LearnFreight.com. Now Dwayne can learn in an easy and understandable format everything he needs to know to get a freight broker license and set up his operation. He will also get a set of helpful documents to get him started. And the best part is, should Dwayne need assistance after completion of his training, he can enroll in the partnership program offered by the Learn Freight team and get post-training assistance for as long as he needs it. To learn more, please visit LearnFreight.com.